An example of a word formation process that changes kindergarten to kinder and air conditioning to aircon is known as what? A, coining. B, compounding. C, blending. D, clipping. Ito yung concept na tinuro sa atin, if I'm not mistaken, when you were in first year in college, di ba? Pang first year itong concept na to. Intro to linguistics. Letter D, letter D, letter D. Ayan. That is indeed letter D, clipping. Ayan. Anong ibang tawag sa clipping? Tinatawag din po natin yung shortening. Anong ibang tawag sa clipping? Tinatawag din natin yung shortening at truncation. Ayan. So let's talk about these different word formation. Okay. Pag sinabi natin coinage, you are inventing new words. Kaya siya tinawag na coin. Ibig sabihin, ito ay, it doesn't have a direct relationship with the word. No, it's a made-up word. Ayan. Like for example, Xerox. Ayan. Kleenex. Ayan. No? So those are examples of coinages. Borrowing naman, these are loan words that were borrowed from another language, like piano from Italian, diba? Like tsunami, which came from the Japanese language. Compounding naman, you're combining words, okay? Like for example, homework. Ayan, it's an example of compounding. Pag sinabi naman nating blending, ang pinagkaiba niya sa compounding, ang compounding kasi pinagdidikit lang natin yung salita. Kapag blending, tayo ay nag-o-omit ng certain elements. Like for example, breakfast plus lunch, hindi naman siya breakfast lunch, kundi brunch, di ba?